Tracy, and happy April to all of you. I am here to show you a kit that I put together. I am following along with Becky Bitting. We're doing a mini Monday, so we're making a mini kit, and I asked her if she used a recipe. She said no, so I just kind of went with what I felt my gut was telling me to. So I wanted to show you what I've created. So as for my kit, so this is the jump off page, and everything is geared off of this. This is from Cartabella from Summer Loving. I love the floral part of it. And then the opposite is this. I'm not intending on using that at all. I absolutely love the floral. I usually like to have some something with a print in it with some words, and I love black and white, so this is what I'm adding to it. It's from Authentique. The back side is this yellow. This kit will have no yellow in it. I purposely chose not to have yellow. I do like to have a ledger or a grid paper, so I've chosen this. This is from a paper pad, and it is I think it's a white. It may be a little bit of a cream. I think it's white with pink ledger lines on it. The next one is also from a paper pad. It is kind of this corally pink, looks like watercolor, and you can see the texture of the watercolor. It's kind of thin, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use it as, you know, my foundation page, but we'll see. I may just put some scrap paper behind it to make it more sturdy. Alright, so the next paper that I'm using is kind of a wild card for me. It's this lavender color. I normally don't go for lavender, and I didn't really see it in this, but you can tell that there's some lavender here in the flowers. So I thought it went well together. It reads as a solid, but it's actually tone on tone, and there's diagonal kind of little dots, broken lines that go on this. And then the last page will be it has a little bit of a pattern, also came from a paper pad, is this beautiful green. So this is the 6 foundation pages, or the full 12 by 12 sheets that I have, but I didn't think that that was going to be enough to choose from, so I also wanted to include something else that had more print than that, so I chose this blue. And this is also from a paper pad, and I'm not sure where it's from. And then I fell in love with this as well as I was digging through my stash. I've had this for many, many years, so I wanted to make sure that I can incorporate that for sure. Then I have some more blue to choose from. I know this is from LA Studios. Some of these others I'm not sure. That's a 6 by 6 that I had. And then there's some scraps there. And then I had some green, because I didn't have enough green, I thought. Because, you know, green's my favorite color, so I pulled those 2 out. And then also some more black and white. This is from Cute Girl, and then I believe this is from Pink Fresh. So this is all the paper that I have, and I also am bringing in 2 doilies. This pink and this white. Not sure how I'm going to, you know, they're not my favorite, but I wanted to make sure either I can give them away or I need to use them. So I'm going to let this kit kind of decide what's going to happen here. I'm storing everything into a box that I got from Click Kit last month, because I do have quite a bit, and quite a bit than I had last month when I did for the Love of Homemade kits. So anyway, I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to pull more things out that I plan on using for this kit. Okay, so the next I want to bring out is the Alpha. So I had their gold. There's not very much in here. I got this from Hobby Lobby. So it's stickabilities. So I pulled this one as well as the Freckle Fawn. I love this. So I have black and I have it in white. And I have some of this, hoping that I could create a word or 2 and maybe just finish that off. Also from LA Studios, I know I've talked about this before. This is the black. I have some more on order. And I also have it in white, but for the other, I guess the larger thickers for the alpha, I chose to go with this one. I believe this is the right packaging. I have 2 sets in here, Alex by Amy Tangerine, and they are, you can color on top of them with paint, so I can use that. And then the thickers here, see, this one is called Charming, and I will use that for the black. Now, let me get this off to the side. And I like these stickers. The photos I'm thinking of using is, I just got permission from my niece for her twins. They're 3 years old and they are the cutest thing. So she has 2 sets of twins, and the girls are 3 and the boys are, I believe, in middle school. So I may be able to get a boy page in there and maybe a twins with 2 sets of twins in there. So I kept that in mind as I was pulling things out. So I love this silver, and I really like this because this doesn't come off. And I apologize, I don't know where this is from. Also, there's not a whole lot on here. I'm hoping I can get rid of this. You know, get rid, that's not really the right word. Use this up. How about that? And they're foam. I have a couple new things because you should always have something new to put in your kit. So I just got these this week. This is from Becky Bitting. Good things. And so we'll see if I can, what all I can use from that, as well as the watercolor stickers. Oh my, this is, what a treasure this is. I had no idea all the fun stuff that was in this one. So I'm really excited about this. And then let's see, I do have the black, I don't know, did I get those from Freckle Fawn? I want to say I did. I know these are from Bella Boulevard. This is the lavenders. I don't have a lot of lavender things, but I thought I would take out some of the things that I do have. And then I have a couple of these Bella Boulevard bows. And I think the rest of it I'm going to, I need some more space. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I go through these, I'm just going to throw them in the box, which is over here on my right. This is a sticker book I never got. It's from Chamel. I did get it at Tuesday morning for $1.99. I'm thinking that there's going to be some things in here that I'll be able to use for this kit. And then I have some word stickers, some little phrase stickers, and this is in the white. So I wanted to use this as well as these word stickers. This is from Crepe Paper. Oh gosh, this is from last year. So throw those in the box. You know, when I got these originally, I didn't think that I would ever use them, but I've gotten them in my Secret Not Secret kit, and I have used all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in here. These are great. Basil Basic Paper. I love these. And then this was from Freckle Fawn. I think this is a complete set. I got this in the, oh, what do they call that? Where you pay $5 because there's some sort of a flaw in it. I got this last year. So I saw some lavender in here and I thought, well, there's probably some things that would work in this kit. I don't even know what all of them say. And then I made some tags for the Secret Not Secret kit when we have those challenges, and I am going to pull 3 of these in. So I made these 2 1 month, and then this one. I have the same foundational tag, but I did different things on them, and I think those would work perfect for this kit. We will see. I also have this tag, and so I just kind of went through some bigger elements. Here's some more words. Some of these I had cut from a sheet, you know, best friend, hello. Got, have some black elements. Here is a cut file that I had printed out XOXO in different sizes and in black, and I just put them in my stash. So that's where those came from. I think this is from the Gather collection. This is a flare of a camera, and this I believe I got, oh gosh, now I can't think of the name of the place I get it. And then here is a big heart. Oh my goodness, look at this. I'm going to show it to you. I made this a couple years ago, and I had watched a video about making some embellishments and then just put them in your stash and use them. Well, I used a few of them and they all looked real similar to this, but I kind of grew tired of it. So I saw it today and I thought that it would work perfect for what I am planning on using. And then, I don't know if you can see this. Let's see. So this is all about girls, so I'm hoping that that'll work. And it has some lavender in it. And it's old. It's really old. And then here is this. I know I got this at Hobby Lobby. And the very last thing is, my daughter, I think she gave me this, but it is full of all the little bitty things. I am pulling washi tape out, but I probably won't use it like real washi tape. I'll probably use it to tape things down. I'm just, you know, not a washi tape person. And here's the little red and white polka dot or cream colored polka dot. And I'm just going to go through this really quick because it's just a bunch of stuff. I thought that the colors went well together. Some of this, I'm not even sure where it comes from. Some of it is chipboard, some are, this one says love on it. I know I get this from Click Kit. This is from Pink Fresh. Being With You is my favorite. I think that's Chanel. Here's 3 because the girls are 3. Probably going to use this Stay Weird. You should see some of the pictures that their mom took. They're so funny. Here's another 3. I got some wood veneer. This one says Always and Forever. Of course, some butterflies. Awesome. Camera. Lavender heart. Anyway. First We Laugh. Some of these. I bought this these little cards because I was trying to build up my stash, but I very seldom use them. Now this is one of these watercolor resist. It says Just Be Happy, and so I'll try to use that up. And I know I have some more. There's another butterfly. I tried to grab a little bit of everything, some wood veneer, some flares, I have some buttons, and I dug a little deep and I have something that nobody ever uses anymore. Sparkle, love. This is So It Goes. Alright. This one says Be Different and Crazy. Okay, here's some buttons. Here's a Brad. Here, I'll put, I don't know if you can see this, almost matches my fingernails. which this color is called Jasmine, and I know I need to go get my nails done again. I've gotten more compliments about this color. I do Next Gen, so that's how I get my nails done. If anyone's, I get asked this from my patients and their families all the time, so I figured you guys probably were curious too. If not, never mind. Okay, so now comes a little bitty, itty bitty, tiny, teeny pieces. So I have some more potty people. Of course, these are girls. And some, oh my goodness, teeny tiny silver hearts. Oh my stars. Hearts, not stars. All right, I'm sorry. It's taken me so long. Okay, so another potty person. Here's a heart button. But I got some more brads, and I dug pretty deep. But I wanted to use these up, and the colors kind of went well with what I was using. I got all of the, oh, it's a brad. It's a little green. So anyway, and there was one little purple one by itself, so I just pulled it in with that. So that is it. I'm hoping, I'm going to use some watercolor mixed media stuff. I did get the Becky Bitting, I took them out of here already, but the art crayons, I got them in the orange and yellow and pink, as well as the blue and the green and the purple. So I'm very excited to use that as well. We will just have to wait and see how this goes. All right, thanks for joining me, and join me every Monday, and I will leave a link to Becky's channel as well. So if you aren't already a subscriber of hers, I highly recommend it. She's very funny. She's from the South. I totally get her. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.